Okay, so I ordered, first one I ordered was this one, metal glue. You mix together. I had a small hole in my exhaust right by the cat in the front, and I mixed enough to cover it. It did the job, it hardened, but what it did, because it's not thick enough and it kept falling inside that little hole, as the glue is pretty thin. Not water thin, but thin enough to fall through that hole. So should have covered with something, then apply the glue. But so it's on there. I grinded the enough to have some metal, bare metal on there before I apply that. So I went online and I ordered this now. So it's basically comes with a pair of gloves, but and then the strap that you would put around. So in here, it's a putty. So you're gonna take this out, apply on a puncture or hole, whatever you're trying to seal, and then wrap this around it. A lot of people are saying it's messy, so we'll find out. So now that it's open, it's definitely saturated, so you can see. Maybe that's why. So we're gonna apply enough, and then I'll use the other band-aid or wrap, so you want to call it, and then go over it. All right, so the puncture is right there, and like I said, this is, let me turn some light on. All right, so you can see the hole is still there. It was like that at the beginning. So this is basically like a hard metal now, but I want to cover that. So originally there was a bracket right here. I'm assuming from the old flange or whatever it was, and what I did, I took the pliers and I tried to bend it and then I poke a hole into my exhaust. So this whole attempt is to cover this. So we're gonna band-aid all the way around it. Okay, so I have enough. I went around 3 times. I'm gonna cut the excess using the blade. All right, so there you go. This is almost like just fiberglass, saturated in some type of glue. And they say once it's dry, it's gonna turn into to be really hard. So that's all it is. I'll leave it the way it is and let it dry. 100 psi up to 400 degrees, hardens like steel in 15 minutes. So I'll let it sit longer than that and come back, check, and then I'll start the truck, and we'll see how it holds in a week.